Hello everyone, this is Rahul Jakaria from Mirae Asset Sharekhan. Welcome back to exciting 3R actionable stock updates. 3R basically means right sector, right quality and right valuation. These are our investment ideas. Today we have an update on Supreme Industries. Our analyst maintains buy rating on the company with an unchanged price target of Rs 5,700. Stabilization of falling PVC prices, expected pickup in housing, agriculture and infrastructure demand is expected to result in a strong second half and drive the growth going forward. Next, we have an update on HDFC Bank. Our analyst maintains buy rating on HDFC Bank with a price target of Rs 2,100. Deposit growth would continue to outpace loan growth in the near term, which should bring down the LDR to normalized level at faster pace. FY25 and FY26 would be the years of transition. The bank is confident of regaining its growth trajectory and NIMs once this transition period is complete. We remain assertive from medium to long-term perspective. At the current market price, the stock trades at 2.1 times its FY26 and 1.8 times its FY27 core book value estimates. Risk reward is favorable. The stock has underperformed the broader indices in last 12 months.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.